So you're considering filing for bankruptcy, and you're wondering, should I hire a lawyer or should I do it myself? If you're desperately needing to file for bankruptcy, but you don't know whether you should hire a lawyer or do it yourself, it's a good question. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the correct way to file for bankruptcy and why I think you should take one route over the other. Hi, my name is Theron Morrison, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney. Financial troubles, they can feel like a weight on your shoulders. And filing for bankruptcy may seem daunting. You wonder, what should you do? Should you hire a lawyer or try it alone? You're wondering, how can I avoid mistakes that could end up causing me more financial pain? Well, once again, in this video, I'm going to break down some of the steps so that you can actually understand what it takes to successfully navigate through the process. And this is regardless of which option you choose to do. So are you feeling overwhelmed with the complexity of bankruptcy laws and you're unsure of how to proceed? You're not alone, and this is not uncommon. Do you feel or do you fear that making a mistake, that one mistake that might lead you to financial ramifications or have financial ramifications? Or are you torn between saving money and doing it yourself, or spending money on a lawyer to ensure that everything goes correctly? Once again, these are all common concerns and they're all valid. And the decision is not always straightforward and easy. So let's delve into some of the pros and cons in this video. So in this video, you'll learn 3 critical tips that will provide significant results in helping you navigate through the bankruptcy process. Now, these strategies, they should help you make an informed decision. They should help you avoid some of the common pitfalls and ultimately enable you to take control of your financial situation. So pay attention and stay tuned to some of these valuable insights that could make a significant difference in your bankruptcy filing and your journey. So first, understand your financial situation. Before filing for bankruptcy, you should thoroughly review your financial status. This includes evaluating the debts, your income, and your assets. Now, this step is crucial in determining whether bankruptcy is the right solution and which bankruptcy you should file. Is it a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13? Which one of these best fits your situation? Next, learn about the bankruptcy laws. All right, you need to familiarize yourself with the federal and state bankruptcy laws. It's important to understand the eligibility criteria, the process, the consequences, and even what types of debts can and cannot be discharged. Should you consider professional legal advice? Well, I think consult with a bankruptcy attorney for professional advice. A bankruptcy attorney can provide you valuable insights tailored to your situation, guide you through the legal complexities, and help you avoid costly mistakes. Once again, look for an attorney who focuses and primarily does bankruptcy, because this is a complex area. Next, you need to collect all the necessary documentation. So you need to gather the paperwork you need, such as your tax returns, your pay stubs, your bank statements, a detailed list of your debts, as well as your assets. It needs to be accurate and comprehensive, this documentation, as it is key to whether or not you're going to have successful filing and to determine which of your assets are going to be protected from the trustee. So then you file the bankruptcy petition. Well, it needs to be complete, and all of the required bankruptcy forms must be filed with the court. If you're doing it yourself, be sure to follow all instructions precisely. These instructions are found on the bankruptcy court's website. Remember, a single error or omission can cause your case to be dismissed, or even worse, potential criminal charges could be filed. Then you need to attend the 341 meeting. After your filing, you'll need to attend this meeting of creditors where you'll answer questions from the trustee about your bankruptcy form and financial situation. You may even find some of your creditors are there to ask you questions as well. Then you need to complete a debtor education course. Now, this needs to be done one before your case, but then one before your debts can be discharged after your case is filed. You have to complete this debtor education course and submit the completed certificate to the court. During this time, too, you have to await the trustee's decision. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it means the final step is to wait for the bankruptcy trustee to make a decision as to how he or she will administer your estate. If your filing is approved, your eligible debts will be discharged, giving you a fresh financial start. Now, don't let financial distress weigh you down. If you're ready to take the first step toward a fresh financial start, I'd invite you to take advantage of a free bankruptcy consultation with Morrison Law Group. Our experienced team will guide you through this process. They'll answer your questions and they'll provide you the advice you need to make an informed decision about your financial future. This financial decision may or may not include filing bankruptcy, and it may or may not include using an attorney. But contact us today and start your journey through this financial freedom with an educated, informed decision. Thank you.